All right, so my new wall sconce have now been installed. They are super pretty and glam. They're a little bit more set up than expected. Just keep that in mind. They don't come with a base plug to turn them on and off, excuse me. So you do have to actually wire them yourself. So just keep that in mind. There's the other one over here. And I also thought, I don't know, I didn't look at the listing too close, but I thought this in the photo was basically like a click on off. It is not. So just keep that in mind. If you were thinking the same thing, it's just simply for decoration. They look super pretty though. I got them in the warm light color. I needed one for each side. I think I'm going to put a smart plug at the base of them for ease of turning off. Otherwise, you're going to have to unplug them every time. But very neat. Definitely check them out and affordable.